How to change user rights assignment security policy settings in Windows 10. Want more control over who can access what on your Windows 10 devices? In this video, we'll show you how to manage user privileges using user rights assignment, a built-in security feature that helps IT teams lock down systems, boost security, and grant access to trusted users like remote support staff. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. What are Windows security policies? Windows security policies are settings that control how users interact with their devices and company resources. They help protect your system by controlling access and requiring strong passwords, all while making sure everything still follows company rules. Step-by-step guide to changing user rights assignment settings. There are two ways to change the user rights assignment settings. But before that, make sure you are logged in as an administrator. If you're updating group policies on a domain controller, you'll also need admin rights to install the Microsoft Management Console, MMC. On Windows 10, you can use either the local group policy editor or the local security policy editor to make changes. To change user rights assignments with the local security policy console, open the Start menu and type secpol.msc to launch the local security policy tool. Go to Security Settings, Local Policies, User Rights Assignment, find the policy you want to change, and double-click it. Use the Add User or Group or Remove buttons to update who has access. Click OK when you're done. Now, if you're using the Local Group Policy Editor, open the Local Group Policy Editor by typing gpedit.msc in the Start menu. Go to Computer Configuration, Windows Settings, Security Settings, click Local Policies, then find and double-click the user rights assignment you want to change. Use Add User or Group or Remove to update access. Click OK to save your changes. Best practices for configuring user rights assignment to keep your system secure: only give users the minimum permissions they need. Log and document any changes for easier troubleshooting. Always test updates in a virtual environment before applying them to avoid disrupting access or system functions. User rights assignment helps IT admins control who can do what on Windows systems. By adjusting local security policy settings, they can keep systems secure while giving users the right access to do their jobs. For more information, check out our official blog post on changing user rights assignments, linked in the description below.